Manipur Chief Minister Khemchand has stated that his first task as Chief Minister will be the safe return of internally displaced persons in both hill and valley areas. He was speaking during a visit to Govindaji Temple at Palace Compound today, where he offered prayers for peace and prosperity in the state. He further said that restrictions of movement in national highways, IDP resettlement and the peaceful resolution to the present law and order crisis remains his top priority as Chief Minister. He highlighted the long-awaited effects of the May 3, 2023 crisis that rendered 60,000 people homeless, while saying it as in his imperative to restore peace and normalcy in both sides of the communities. Responding to questions from media persons regarding postponement of census, which is slated to be held from April this year, the Chief Minister is sure he will give a statement once he assumes office.
I think major issue in the Nakal and the ID. So, I'm serious concern. Kamai to the Matamda, Yumda, and Beanaba, peaceful atmosphere. Census Matansi, Hana, government in the Pamba, Mali, Adu, Isu, Opisang Rivina, Wasn't a second guy, Kangakana, I said.